Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how you can copy CSS from Firebug. It's fairly simple. So the first thing you obviously need to do is have Firefox installed and also have Firebug installed. I already have mine installed and I'm not going to go through how to do it. But when you already have it installed, go to Tools, Web Developer, Firebug, and open Firebug. Notice I'm on Google's website because it's pretty easy website to look at the CSS code on. There's not much going on. So on Google's website, when I open Firebug, it'll show me the HTML. But on the tabs of Firebug, I click CSS. And this way, I can see all the CSS associated with this page. And I can just highlight just one portion of the CSS or the whole thing and just copy and paste it to whatever I want. I'm Omar, and I just showed you how to copy CSS from Firebug. Have a good day.